somebody may ask, how do you make money while sleeping? Yes, the theme is making money while sleeping. The first, you register yourself. Once you come on board, you invite two people, one on your left, one on your right. Okay, they become active, they rent an office, they're selling the goods, the products that we have, and also they invite other people, maybe two. So already you have got 6 people. If the ones you invited, the two they invited, 3 the other side, 3 the other side, and then you start climbing the pyramid. Because that way you are going to get up to 1,380 kwacha just for those 6 people on your side, 12 people. That's one payment. But as you go up, maybe you have those people keep inviting, because we just start once. Some of the people you may not know them because they'll be invited by others and they become active. At the end of the day, by the time you realize in 6 months, you will have 100 this side and 100 the other side, 200, and you'll be getting every month maybe $10,000. $10,000 in Zambian kwacha today is 250,000 kwacha. Who pays you 250,000 kwacha? As long as those people are active, you are home, you are sleeping, you are also active, your office is open, that money comes in. Is it difficult to sell the product that we have? No, it's not, because it is helping people save on fuel. The other one is a health product, the Java coffee for slimming, for diabetes and mood. Puts you in a good mood. Even as you go to the office, you have workers, you don't blast them, you don't shout at them, or you are a worker, you don't disobey your boss, you are not moody, or you are a wife, you are a husband. It's a very good health coffee. I'm taking it, and that's why I'm looking good and I'm looking nice. Some of us, we don't keep secrets. We like sharing what is of benefit to humanity. You and I came from one Father, that's God Almighty. If there's anything good about anything, we should share without any evil intentions or ill intentions for one just to benefit on others. That's not the way it's supposed to be done. Please follow the link there. Go to Evadi's FX Zambia Facebook page, get a WhatsApp number, and let's communicate more and enjoy the benefits in 2024. This is our year, Africa Ignite.